Alright, this is gonna be a video of my 52-inch unknown ceiling fan in my bedroom. It's got 4 blades and 1 light. It's got a schoolhouse light globe. It has reversible cane to just plain blades. I got the cane blades facing down. It's got a schoolhouse light globe. And here's the light. It's got an LED light bulb in there, soft white. And here is low. That's about the low speed. Here's medium. That's about medium. Here's high. This is the speed it stays on in the summer. Same with the other fans in the house. And they're on reverse. And this is the direction it's going in the summer. And they're on reverse in the winter. Shut off the light in the fan, we're going to do a spin down. Alright, that was it. That is my 52-inch unknown ceiling fan. I do not know the brand at all of this fan. If you guys know the brand, please let me know in the comments below. Alright, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more rail fanning videos and more ceiling fan videos. CSX Freight Train Productions, signing off.